Mark Anthony has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, here's the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. For each one of his builds, he sent a picture of the car or cars that he used, and then what he did with them. He also has a story to go with this. In 2050, a country in the East that we will not name unleashed a chemical weapon that turned humans into zombies. A sergeant in the U.S. Army put together a ragtag team to hunt down the zombies and find anyone not infected and bring them back to a military base for shelter and safety. These are their vehicles: a jet car, air support and recon; a stock car, a scout vehicle; trucks, which are the attack vehicles; and a camper, which is the civilian rescue vehicle. I really like what he did with these. I have to laugh in a way at the stock car because that's not too far from what NASCAR is like right now. They're just a couple rules changes away. He had a lot of fun with this, according to his email. I have a lot of fun looking at them. I really like what he did with them. Sometimes you see builds that are like really a ton of stuff and some that are clean. This leans towards the cleaner side, and I really like this. There's more coming up. These are the trucks that are the attack vehicles. And so you see the armament is a little bit more on them. As I recall in a separate email, he said that he used Tester's paint to paint these. This one, I have to laugh. I was hoping he'd use that vehicle on the left. I didn't have a clue as to how he'd use it. But that's one of those that when you throw in the box, there's almost always one that you're kind of hoping the person will use. And that was the one in this set. And this is interesting because like the camper, it's like, we're here to rescue you and protect you, but we're not just going to let you run around out there either until we're sure you're not a zombie. Thanks, Mark, for taking the challenge. Thanks, everyone, for watching this. I hope you have a lot of fun with these as much as I do. And there's more Silva challenges to come. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.